Are you looking for smart ways to save money while raising a family? In today's video, we're sharing 10 frugal living hacks for families with kids that will help you cut costs, live well, and build a better financial future. First up, create a family budget. Involving your kids in budgeting teaches them the value of money from an early age. Set categories for groceries, entertainment, school supplies, and make sure everyone sticks to the plan. Meal planning is a game changer. Plan your meals for the week and buy in bulk. Bulk buying can save you a lot, especially on non-perishables like pasta and canned goods. It reduces waste and cuts down on extra trips to the store. Kids grow fast, so buying brand new clothes and toys can be expensive. Check out thrift stores, consignment shops, or online marketplaces for second-hand items. You'll find quality clothes and toys at a fraction of the price. Entertainment doesn't have to be expensive. Get creative with DIY activities at home. From building pillow forts to arts and crafts, these activities are free and fun for the whole family. Cutting back on eating out can save hundreds every month. Instead, cook together as a family. Not only is it cheaper, but it also teaches your kids valuable life skills and creates lasting memories. Coupons and cashback apps are a must for frugal families. Apps like Ibotta, Rakuten, and Honey help you save on groceries, clothes, and even travel. Stack coupons and deals for maximum savings. Invest in reusable products like water bottles, cloth napkins, and meal prep containers. It might cost more upfront, but you'll save in the long run and reduce waste, which is great for your wallet and the environment. Instead of expensive outings, plan low cost or free activities. Visit parks, take major walks, or check out local museums and libraries. These outings provide family bonding time without breaking the bank. Need a night out. Instead of paying for a babysitter, swap babysitting duties with friends or family. It's free and everyone wins. Finally, teach your kids about money. Giving them a piggy bank or setting up a savings jar encourages them to save any allowance or gift money they receive. It's never too early to start learning financial responsibility. Frugal living as a family doesn't have to feel restrictive. With these simple hacks, you can save money, enjoy life, and teach your kids valuable lessons about financial well being. Let us know in the comments which tips you'll try first. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.